Hey guys, so I want to show you this awesome new gadget that has completely changed how I take care of my car. So far it's saved me a few $100s, and looking at reviews online, it's even saving people thousands. So this is Fixed. This little thing can scan your car and will let you know what's going on with your car if you have any issues, especially those check engine lights. Fixed scans over 7,000 plus potential issues to make sure you are never in the dark about what's going on with your car. Let's take this thing out to the car and I'll show you how easy it is. I didn't even know my car had this, but Fixed plugs in this port underneath your steering wheel. This is the same port that mechanics will use when they scan your car for issues. If you have a gas-powered car made after 1996 or a diesel car or truck made after 2008, don't worry, Fixed will work with your car. Now all you have to do is start the car, launch the free Fixed app, and click tap to scan. That easy. So now that I'm back inside, you can see my car has a few issues I need to take care of, but just having this info is a big deal. Now when I take it into the shop, I'm much more confident now that I know what my issues actually are. Now if you want to go further with this information, Fixed offers an additional suite of features in their Fixed Premium subscription. One of my favorite premium features is Confirmed Cost and Fix, where I can see what potential fixes and the cost of those fixes are before even taking my car to the mechanic. That's where Fix can really save you money. Another great premium feature is the Fixed Mechanic Hotline, where you can call an automotive specialist whenever you have a car question, like if you think you're getting overcharged at the repair shop, or if you need help changing a spark plug, or even if you just need to know what oil your car needs. So the last and most important thing you need to know is that Fixed is offering 67% off their sensors right now, and I was able to get mine for only $20, so click the link to get yours.